my name is Paddy, also known as PUFF Paddy. I'm an artist from Toronto, and I'm mostly known for creating large-scale installation, sculptures, and window displays. My favorite mediums that I like to use in my work are paper, sparkly things, and often repurposed materials. I'm interested in creating transformative environments that bring hope, compassion, and joy. A year ago, Chinatown BIA and STEP Initiative invited me to design and host our first paper lantern workshop called Moon. We got to make art and create a beautiful public art installation to celebrate Lunar New Year in a big way. If you miss Moon's programs, well, today is your lucky day because I'm going to show you how to make your own mini lanterns inspired from last year's lantern design. So let's get started.
Pencil, ruler, glue stick, hot glue gun, stapler, Scotch tape, single hole punch, scissors, and 2-inch paper punch or 2-inch bottle cap. These are the materials you will need: construction paper, black Bristol board, 2 paper strips, 1 pipe cleaner, and a pack of gold tinsels.
Take your time with this project. Don't rush, just enjoy the creative process. Art making has healing powers. It's good for the mind and good for the soul.
Use your ruler and mark your lines on both sides about 1 inch. Begin to mark 1/8 of an inch on both sides along the lines from the last step. Alright, let's get started with cutting out your circles. For more precise results, I would recommend using the 2-inch paper punch. This should only take about 10 minutes to make your circles. Traditionally, Chinese lanterns are red and gold to bring good luck for the new year. But for this lantern, I like to use more colors to bring brightness and joy into my life. And you should too. If you don't have a paper punch, you can use a 2-inch bottle cap and trace 30 to 35 colorful circles. This will take more time to complete, so don't rush and have fun making your lantern. When you are done tracing, cut them out and fold them in half. Glue the folded circles along the marked guidelines. The circles should overlap each other. Take your 2 paper strips and trace a line above and below where the folded circles are glued down. With your scissors, cut along the lines you just traced. Roll the Bristol board and staple the top and bottom. Glue the first and last folded circles together. Use your single hole punch to make your holes for your handle. With your hot glue gun, glue around the top and bottom rim and paste the paper strips. When you are finished, use your hole punch and make the holes again for your handle. Loop your pipe cleaner through the holes to make your handle. Unpack the gold tinsels and cut out about 8 to 10 tinsels. They should be 15 inches long. Wow, so sparkly and magical! Carefully stack your loose tinsels and fold it in half around the bottom loop handle. Use your Scotch tape and staple it together to make it more secure. The mini lantern brings so much color and brightness into the space. You can hang it by the window and watch the sun reflect on the gold tinsels, sparkly and magical.
Hey guys, thanks so much for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you try this project at home, please let me know. I'd love to see it. You can post it on your social media and tag me or CBC Arts. See you next time. Peace.